If your Google Chrome bookmark suddenly disappeared, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your Google Chrome bookmarks back in just a couple of simple steps. This is really helpful if your bookmarks are missing, hidden inside folders, or you just can't find them after a Chrome update, sync issue, or accidental change. And if this guide helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome and look to the top right corner of the browser. You'll see the three dots menu. Click those three dots to open Chrome's main menu. This menu gives you access to lots of browser settings, including your saved bookmarks. Next, hover over Bookmarks and Lists. A side menu will appear with more bookmark-related options. From there, click Open Bookmark Manager. This is where Chrome stores and organizes all of your bookmarks and bookmark folders. Once the Bookmark Manager opens, you should be able to see all of your saved bookmarks and folders in one place. If you thought your bookmarks were gone, there is a good chance they are still here, just organized in a folder you forgot about or tucked away somewhere you didn't expect. Now, use the search box inside Bookmark Manager to look for a missing bookmark by name, keyword, or website address. This is one of the fastest ways to find bookmarks that seem lost. Type in part of the title or the URL, and Chrome will filter the results for you. If the bookmark shows up, check which folder it's inside. Sometimes your bookmarks are not deleted at all. They're just sitting inside a folder, and that can make it seem like they disappeared. If you find them, you can drag them back out or move them to a more visible folder for easier access later. It's also a good idea to slowly scan through your folders if you don't see the bookmark right away, because sometimes an import, sync, or accidental drag can move them into another category. So to quickly recap, click the three dots menu, go to Bookmarks and Lists, open Bookmark Manager, and then use the search box to find any missing bookmarks that may still be stored inside folders. That's the easiest way to recover the bookmarks you thought were gone. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple Chrome tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.